Water is the source of life. Our lives are closely linked to water. The daily water consumed by our population is provided by a local company, the Macao Water Supply Company Limited. To cope with Macao's population growth and urban development within the next 10 years, Macao Water has again expanded the Coloan water treatment plant, adopting a technology patented by Degramont Water Treatment Systems, a subsidiary of parent company Suez Environment, in which pressure from compressed dissolved air is used to remove most of the algae and suspended impurities from the water. The Coloan water treatment plant is also the first potable water treatment plant in Asia to employ the AquaDAF flotation treatment process. The main storage reservoir water treatment plant 2, or MSR2, even employs state-of-the-art flotation and ultrafiltration processing technologies. The ultrafiltration membranes are the ultimate barrier for removing all remaining particles, algae, bacteria, and some viruses from the water. After disinfection, the water is ready for final distribution and consumption. The production capacity of MSR2 is 60,000 cubic meters per day, with reserve space for expansion to 120,000 cubic meters per day. It is essential that we prepare for the future through scientific planning. Though we live in a time when getting water is very convenient, the planning and construction of water supply facilities need to be forward-looking if we are to satisfy the increasing demand for water resulting from Macao's socio-economic development. Macao Water conducts water demand forecasts for its 5-year water supply master plan. In 2008, the demand for water was 212,000 cubic meters per day. It is predicted that this figure will reach 266,000 cubic meters per day in 2013 and 305,000 cubic meters per day in 2018. Our current water treatment capacity is already 330,000 cubic meters per day. In the future, the completion of the MSR expansion project will increase the total water treatment capacity to 390,000 cubic meters per day. The provision of a safe and reliable water supply is no obstacle to the development of Macao. At present, the total length of the existing water supply network in Macao is close to 550 kilometers. In the past 10 years, Macao Water has replaced around 175 kilometers of Macao's drinking water pipe system. To further ensure the safety of the water supply, all distribution mains and service connections, also known as service pipes, located in public places, have adopted comparatively good quality materials such as ductile iron and stainless steel piping. To optimize the working environment of our employees, Macao Water became Macao's first public utility to sign the Occupational Health and Safety Charter with the Labor Affairs Bureau. Furthermore, the company has created a Health, Safety and Environmental Committee to provide regular occupational health and safety and environmental protection training to its employees. Macao Water is also a key member of the government's working group on the development of a water conservation society, an entity which is actively involved in promoting water conservation. Macao Water is committed to providing a stable and adequate supply of quality drinking water, as well as to improving customer service and the company's overall operation and management. The company successfully obtained the ISO 901 Quality Management System, the OHSAS 1801 Occupational Health and Safety Management System, and the ISO 1401 Environmental Management System certifications. The Laboratory and Research Center of Macao Water is also accredited with the Laboratory Accreditation Certificate by a Chinese national authority. In view of the growing public concern regarding water safety, the company will actively seek to obtain the ISO 22000 Food Safety Management System certificate, thus ensuring that the company's ability to provide and manage safe, potable water are within international standards. Macao Water has established an integrated quality management system according to international standards so as to fulfill its social responsibilities as a corporate citizen. In 1985, Sino-French Holdings Hong Kong Limited was formed as a joint venture between world-leading French water treatment company Lyonnais des Eaux and Chow Tai Fook Enterprises from Hong Kong. Its subsidiary, the Macao Water Supply Company, signed on that same year a 25-year water supply and public service concession contract with the Macao government, which would have expired in 2010. With 20 years of recognized water supply services, this contract was renewed for an additional 20-year period in 2009. Macao Water continues to supply Macao citizens and visitors with European standard quality potable water and comprehensive water supply services. Macao Water has been continuously supplying quality potable water to all citizens of Macao, guided by our core values of social responsibility, ethics, respect for the environment, value creation, integrity, customer focus, employee development.